Composite function given f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 8x g of x is equals to x minus 2. Find number 2. F composed of f of x. So, dalawang f. So, solution for number 2. So, f composed of f of x. So, this is equals to f of x. Dahil dalawang f, doon lang tayo sa f. Kunin natin ang value ng f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 8x. At dahil dalawang f ang kailangan natin, para mas maintindihan, sulat natin ang dalawang f. So that is 2x squared plus 8x. Ngayon, yung value ng isang f of x, ang isa-substitute natin sa x ng isang f of x. So, this is equals to 2 times, papalitan natin yung x ng 2x squared plus 8x squared plus 8 times 2x squared plus 8x equals, dahil yan ay square, kukunin muna natin yung 2x squared plus 8x square. So this is equals to 2x squared plus 8x times 2x squared plus 8x. So gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. So this is equals to 2x squared times 2x squared is 4x raised to 4. 2x squared times 8x is positive 16x cubed. Then 8x times 2x squared is positive 16x cubed, and 8x times 8x is positive 64x squared. Then combine like terms, 4x raised to 4 combine, that is positive 32x cubed plus 64x squared. So that is times ito, ang value niya ay ito. So 4x raised to 4 plus 32x cubed plus 64x squared times multiply natin si positive 8. So 8 times 2x squared is positive 16x squared, and 8 times 8x is positive 64x equals, distribute, ang tawag dito ay multiplication, distributive property of multiplication. So 2 times 4x raised to 4 is 8x raised to 4. 2 times 32, this is 32x cubed is positive 64x cubed, and 2 times 64x squared is positive 128x squared plus 16x squared plus 64x. Then equals, combine like terms. Ano ba ang magkaparehong terms? Itong x squared. So, kopyahin ang walang kapareho, 8x raised to 4 plus 64x cubed, 128x squared plus 16x squared is positive 144x squared plus 64x. So this is the answer.